Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a low-carb twist on a carnival fare favorite, my ultra low-carb funnel cake recipe. Made with only a few ingredients and coming in at under a half a net carb per cake, it's an easy recipe to make and will leave you with plenty of carb room for your daily macros. Let's get started. Begin by adding 3/4 cup of zero carb unflavored protein powder to a mixing bowl, a little salt, some xanthan gum, about a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, baking soda, and mix with a whisk to combine and remove any clumping. Now add 2 egg whites, some sparkling water, vanilla extract with a liquid sugar substitute equal to 2 tablespoons of regular sugar, and give that a mix until everything is fully incorporated. Pour about a half a cup of the mix into a container that will make pouring easy. Something like this measuring cup works great. In a skillet with oil heated to 375 degrees, slowly pour the batter into the hot oil, making a circular and zigzag design. Be careful not to pour too much. Let the funnel cake cook for a couple of minutes or until golden brown, and turn to cook the other side. Flip again if necessary to ensure both sides are golden brown. Remove from the oil and let drain on a paper towel. Generously sprinkle a confectioner's sugar substitute over the top. Serve warm and enjoy. There you have it, folks. My ultra low carb funnel cake recipe. A wonderful low carb dessert. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.